Excel Tutorial 7, pages 425 through 427. All right, we just have one last little thing to do right here in session 7.2, which is to work with inserting comments. Comments are actually incredibly important and helpful tools when you are sharing documents at work. Okay, so go to page 425, read about inserting comments, and when you have that read, move the bottom of page 425 to insert comments in cells A2 and E34. In the receipts worksheet, select cell A2. Okay, first of all, make sure you're in the correct worksheet, which is receipt, and we're going to go to cell A2. On the review tab in the comments group, all right, we're on the review tab. Here's our comments group. Click the new comment button. Okay, right there, new comment. A comment box opens to the right of cell A2. The username for your installation of Excel appears in bold at the top of the box. An arrow points from the box to the small red triangle that appears in the upper right corner of the cell. Type Enter All Data from the order form into cells B3 through B11. Okay, did you get all in? You know what I'm going to say. Let's check it. Make sure everything's correct. A selection box with sizing handles appears around the comment box. If the box is too small or too large for the comment, you can drag a sizing handle to increase or decrease the size of the box. See figure 7-28, which is on the next page. So go ahead and flip to page 426. So if you want to change the size of this box, make it smaller, make it bigger, whatever you want to do, just make sure that you can see all of the text that's in there. Okay? Click on cell B12. That hides the comment. The comment disappears, but a small red triangle remains in the upper right corner of cell A2 to indicate this cell has a comment. Okay, so now you know when you see one of those little red triangles in the upper corner, it means there's a comment in there. Okay? Step number 5. Move the pointer over cell A2, the comment appears. Now click on cell A2. In the comments group, click the Edit Comment button. Okay? Right here, we're on the Review tab, Comments group, Edit Comment. The comment appears with the insertion point at the end of the comment text so you can edit the incorrect cell reference. Select B11 in the comment box because it should really be B12. Okay, so we just want to change this to B12. Okay? Select any other cell to hide the comment. Then point to A2 to view your edited comment. Step number 10. Click cell E34. Okay, here's E. One more. E34. On the Review tab in the Comments group, click the New Comment button. In the comment box, type, "This if function determines whether to allow the early registration discount." Make sure that if is always capitalized. That distinguishes it from the word if to the function if. Okay? This if function okay, go back and check it. This if function determines whether to allow the early registration discount. Got it. Select cell E35 to hide the comment. That small red triangle shows up. Point to E34 so that you can see the comment. There it is. But then Sharon decides the volunteers don't need to know how the early registration discount is calculated, so you're going to delete the comment in cell E34. Select cell E34. In the comments group, click the delete button. Okay? Review tab, comments group, delete. No warning pops up, it's just gone. Okay? That's it. Hit save and you are ready to move on. However, I do want to warn you one thing. When we start working with macros, you can't save and then come back later and keep going. So once we start working with macros in these next few videos, you have to be able to do the whole thing without stopping. There's no saving and finishing it later. So just be aware of that, and you need to know you're going to need a good hour or so to work on the next section in 7.3, okay? Save it.